Hey guys, what's up? Just out on a nice ride here at Cwmcarn with Dave from +3 Mountain Biking, and he is going to do a quick bike check on his Antidote Carbonjack. Here we go.
Hi guys, so yeah, this is my bike. So it's a large Antidote Carbonjack, handmade in Poland by some good friends of mine. Set up with Extreme Racing Shocks Storia lock damper, so a sprung damper. Really nice shock, runs at low pressure, and yeah, I can't speak highly enough of it. Fox 36 is out front. Nothing really fancy about them, just a normal tune. I run them quite hard, and they've been performing well for the last 18 months, 2 years I've had them. Wheels, talk about the wheels. These are some test wheels that we're testing for tag metals. They're carbon rims. These are actually straight gauge spokes. They'll come with butted spokes and a just sort of aluminium shell hub. They're running really well so far. This is the second time into Bike Park Wales on them last week, and at Cwmcarn this week, and yeah, performing really well. Nice and wide, but not too wide because they're not a plus tyre or anything like that, a plus size tyre. Same out back. Drivetrain setup is SRAM XO1 1x11 with Hope cranks up front with their spineless ring, which is just mega. Hope stuff is brilliant, really nice and stiff cranks. DMR Volt pedals, again faultless bit of kit, just bomb proof. As you can see, they've had quite a bashing in their life. Those were about 2 years old now, those pedals, and they've had a lot of riding, still in good nick. Saddle, seat post. So the seat post is another one we've got on test for tag. It's a nice dropper post. That's a 150mm drop. Up top we've got a fabric carbon, just mega saddle. A good amount of flex to it, but nice finish with carbon. Carbon rails. What else? Tyres. So out back, Maxxis Aggressor tyres with double down casing, which is just really good. I weigh about 94 kilos, and they just seem to hold up really well. Really stiff sidewalls. A nice little +3 sticker to remind me what PSI is, but they're a new sticker, so I've not filled it in. Out front, I've just changed this over actually, so we've got a Minion DHF. This is a downhill casing tyre, just because I'm doing a lot of riding at bike parks at the moment, so it takes the hits when you're getting up to speed. What else? Handlebars. These are Candy Ray carbon bars. These are made by the same guys that produce Antidote bikes. I have had problems in the past with vibration in my arms and it affecting my hands, so a carbon bar gives me a little bit more flex, nice and comfy to use. Hope brakes. These are just they're 4-pot brakes. They are just spot on. Loads of stopping power, but a nice lightweight lever as well. SRAM 11-speed shifter. In the middle, Bergtech Enduro stem, 35mm. Sorry, I didn't mention that. These bars are 35mm Enduro stem from Bergtech's 35mm, and DMR death grips because I never touch the brakes. No, not at all. Just they're super comfy. These are the soft compound and the thin grip, which seem to work well. And yeah, is that about it? Anything else? 200mm discs front. 180mm discs front and rear on the brakes, and that's about it. What else?
What is it, isn't it?
That seems to go on a bit.
That's all right. So there we go. There's Dave's awesome Antidote Carbonjack bike. Nice one, guys. Thanks for tuning in.